My KCET 2026 aspirants, with just 4 to 5 months left for your KCET examination, it is very, very important that you now refer to the right resources. If you just waste your time in irrelevant resources, you will not only waste your energy, your time, but also the result won't be that great. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the exact resources that you need to follow so that you can ace the exam, you can do revision, you can prepare in time, and also you will get time for revision and mock tests. So let's see what are these resources in detail. So first of all, I'll tell you what are the pillars for cracking an exam. The number one is to master a concept. Second is to do PYQs, to understand the level of the exam, to understand the question pattern. Third is the question practice, and fourth is mock test, right? So these four pillars, if you are able to crack, then you will be able to get a top rank in the exam. So now we will be doing, I'll be telling you resources for each of these pillars. Number one is mastering the concept. So for mastering the concepts, you only and only need one book, that is NCERT. NCERT of PU1 as well as PU2. Read the NCERT line by line and make notes out of them. Okay. Next we have to master the concepts. Yes, these are the PU1 and PU2 books. Now comes the PYQ. So to understand the PYQs for, so I'll tell you one more thing. Yes, for your PU2 board exams as well. Okay, for your PU2 board exams as well, you need these books. Now coming to the next one, that is your PYQs, that is for KCET. So for you have Deeksha publication books, or you can do MTG publication books. Both of these books are very good. Here we have only PYQs. Here, apart from PYQs, you have extra questions also for practice. Now coming to the next thing, that is for PYQs for PU2, because you know in KCET examination for rank determination, 50% weightage is there for your PU2 board exams also. So you must refer correct books for your PU2 boards also. So for PU2 board PYQs question practice, you have one thing, that is your Jivit publication books, where almost all last 5 years of PYQs are accumulated and given. Apart from this, you should also do the model question paper that is released by the PU2 board. Rest what you should do, you should also focus on your pre-board papers. Okay, pre-board papers of all district. Okay, so these are the different sources of PYQs that you need to follow for your PU2 board exams. Now coming, the next one is very important resource, the online resource about which I want to discuss to you, that is our KCET 90 days online crash course. So this is a 90-day crash course, as you can see from the name itself. So let's see what it offers. So here entire PU1 and PU2 syllabus will be covered in detail. Okay, then you will be having chapter wise PYQs, chapter wise DPP. So your question practice is also done, your PYQs is also done. First, second and third, three pillars are completed. Next, KCET test series is also accessible to you, so your fourth pillar is also achieved here. Then PYQs question in real-time test format. Okay, it's not just a PDF will be given, PDF plus test format PYQs will be there, so you can write a test on the PYQs and can understand your level of preparation. After that, live doubt classes will be there, expert KCET faculties, you can talk to them, notes and lectures you can download, and you will have exclusive WhatsApp community where you can share your doubts and talk about your doubts. Now here, apart from this, I forgot to mention here, you will also be getting access to PU2 test series. Okay, for PU board test series also will be given to you. Now the price of this crash course is worth 5,999. This amount can give you the top rank in KCET 2026 examination. Okay, so next, for mock test and practice, as I told you, if you want only focus only on the mock test, we will be launching our Abhyas KCET test series 2026 in the month of maybe December, January, but that will consist of only test series. Okay, it is not you won't get any question practice, so this is only full length mock test will be included here. So it's better you can consider the crash course, and the link of this product is there in the description section. You can check there, you can go through the link, you can just go to the page, check all the products. Everything is very, very curatively designed so that everything that is required to crack an exam is covered under this one roof. This is your one-stop solution for guaranteed success in KCET 2026 examination. So after that, yes, so we have covered all the 4 pillars, and I'll just add here one. This for question practice, you can again follow MTG book under offline resource. Okay, because in MTG book there are 6,000 plus questions in total. So apart from PYQ, they also have many more questions. So you can do that as well for practice. Okay. So that's all in this video, my dear children, and I hope this resources idea will help you. So please remember, I'll just repeat it. 4 pillars are required. For your concept clarification, NCERT books are enough. Second pillar, question practice, the PYQs, for that you can take Deeksha or MTG publication. Third one, question practice, for that even you can refer NCERT exemplar or MTG book again. And fourth, for test series, you have to, the best resource that is available is our Abhyas KCET 2026 test series. Now all these 4 pillars are covered in our crash course. You can take this crash course, the link is there in the description section. Under one roof, all your preparation will be done. So that's all in this video, my dear children. Thank you so much, and I hope that this video is helpful for you. Okay.